There's a little waterfall right there.
The water actually feels warm.
Ooh, the water feels warmer now.
I just said that!
Right, you gotta use your foot. To paddle.
Alright, let's go forward 3.
Does everybody have it?
Alright.
Yeah, everybody has a Superman.
Okay, so, Garrett, I want you to kind of scoot your butt back a little bit. No, back towards your...
Just back in the boat, toward mommy.
On the outside. I want you to scoot your leg back, too.
Where?
Scoot back towards that thwart, yep, and then kind of sit up
move it
more
back.
on the outside. There you go, that's perfect, okay? Alright, so when we actually go through the rapid, I want you guys to tuck your stomachs down to that tube, just like that. You don't have to do it right now, I'll tell you when to tuck down.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Still stay with this pants?
They'll be good, they'll be good.
I'm already cold enough.
Stop
I
it!
have a bad feeling about this.
Stop it!
Okay, that's enough, thank you.
Alright guys, let's go forward 2.
Don't! Not yet, Garrett.
I'm doing it.
Say yeah, Garrett.
Sorry.
So you guys can see Hell's Hole, it's on the right side, right underneath the bridge there. Megan's going through it right now. It's one of our biggest standing waves on the Ocoee.
What?
It's gonna be like a big roller coaster.
Oh, I hate roller coasters.
Look at the rocks. Look at the rocks.
Moving fine.
If I fall out, I am totally
But yeah, you two up front, go ahead and tuck down and just get comfortable. Just go forward 2.
elbow.
One more. You up front, I want you guys to hold on tight to each other.
Oh no.
How you guys doing?
What?
I'm okay.
We gotta make our heads.
Go forward 2.
Hold on.
Hold on up there.
I can't see.
Ah.
I can't.
Oh, I can't see either.
Are we done?
Hang on.
Are we
Are we
done?
done?
You got knocked down, buddy. Right?
Grant's got no neck. Are we done? Oh. Oh, thanks.
Reagan, nice nasal phlegm thing up there.
Oh, it just went all down my back. Oh.
Right, you guys, we just did real good.
All
We
down
did
my
5
back.
miles flat, 4 whitewater. Give me some high
Oh. Oh my! Just half of that went down my back. At least yours didn't go down your back. Oh.
Alright, did we enjoy ourselves, y'all?
Yeah.
Good. We styled it.
My nose went.
Yeah.
That's fine. I was always holding my breath, closing